Are you looking to find empty folders or file shares on your Windows servers, especially those with file server roles or any Windows operating system? It can be quite a task for administrators to locate these empty folders or file shares. Luckily, you can automate the search process using PowerShell. Here's what you need to do. Search PowerShell and run as administrator. Make sure you have logged into your computer as an admin account with full access to your folders or file shares. So I'm going to run a set of commandlets on my file server, or you can run this on any Windows operating system. So I'm going to type $share equals get-childItem. Now you can use either a local path like D drive or a network path to search those empty folders or file shares. So I'm going to specify the recurse, which will search all these subfolders. And I'm going to specify a condition where PsIsContainer equals $true. So this will basically search for folders only. Press enter. Depending on the size of the folders or drives that you're searching, it may take some time for the search to complete. Now I'm going to use the variable share, and I'm going to specify another condition where $getFiles minus count minus equal 0 minus and $getDirectories dot count minus equal 0. So basically it will list out the folders which does not contain any files and any folders. All right, I'm going to list the name of the folder and full name. Press enter. All right, you can review the results that lists those empty folders and file shares. Just remember, if you have a lot of folders on your file server, the script might take some time to execute. Happy cleaning.